pretty much the home screen of the application. Do keep in mind this application has quite a lot of ads, so do keep in mind when using it. But anyways, these are all the features as it relates to this application here. As you can see, you have the AI blend option here. You have the face swap option here. You have the art option here. You have some other features here which you can use as well. So any one of these that you want to use. Some of them may require subscription. As you can see here, you will see the VIP option there. Well, the ones that are free, you can either tap on this. Let's say for this one here, and it will just ask you to upload a photo of yourself to get that result. I'm going to tap on allow here. It will ask allow storage, and it will give you the option to select whichever frame that you want to use for this option here. As you can see here, quite a lot of options, and then you tap on the one that you want to use. And once you have done that, it will pretty much go in your gallery section where you can upload a photo of yourself, and you pretty much get any one of these effects. Some options will allow you to try some of the pro ones for free. For example, this one here where it says try with the gift box icon. Those are pretty much the VIP versions, but you can try them for free. You may need to watch a few ads, so do keep that in mind. You have the AI image enhancer, which you can use as well. You have the photo editor, which they have for this application here as well. Once you do tap on that option, you given the access to your gallery, and you'll be able to select the photo that you want to edit. So in the template section here's pretty much the same thing, but this section here, you'll be able to see everything as it relates to the photos. Templates, which you can just upload a picture of yourself and get these results. So you have the anime section, you have the logo signature section, but most of these, all you have to do is just upload a photo of yourself and get these results. So the art style section here, pretty much similar, but what you'd have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself, and you pretty much get the art generating style. So as you can see here, some of them may not load, but these are pretty much what you'll be getting, as you can see here. So very easy to use, and these are pretty much effects you can use. All you have to do is just upload a photo of yourself or a photo similar to this, and you get results like these. So very easy to use. So once you have generated or used anything on this application here, you can tap on the My Work section, and you'll be able to find everything that you have created on this application here. So that's pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use. As it relates to the subscription option, I'm not sure why they don't give you the option to view the subscription page, but you can tap on any one of these VIP options here, and let's say for example this one here, and tap on the use option, and you'll be able to find the VIP section or the VIP subscription page. So that's pretty much it for that there. Let me just select one of these, tap on use, and here you'll be able to see the subscription page. As you can see here, although this is premium, it should be VIP, but as you can see here what we're getting for their premium subscription or VIP subscription. And down here, they do give you a 3 days free trial, so you can test it out and so forth. But downside of this application here, it does have too much ads. I would say once you start open the application, be greeted with a good amount of ads. But once that's all cleared up, it's fairly decent. But yeah, with all that said guys, see you in the next one.